Oh, morning all. Right, so we are back here at the track that we recently put in at some stables, relatively local to us. We basically dug out a pad at the top there, which I'm pretty sure you'll see a video of, or you've watched a video of it by now. We've got stone that up. We've got a pad over here, like a path over here, which we've got to just top up some stone. We didn't have enough last time. We didn't really plan to do this, but so yeah, we just got to top this up and just make this look pretty. And then any other additional stone that we've got, we're going to sort of lay in this pathway here, which again, you probably recognise this if you've watched the previous videos. But yeah, we just need to make up this section here, and any spares basically go in there just to make it easier to get in like this. So we arrived at, time we get here, 7:30. Specifically asked the stone and the dumper to be here for 8. Stone arrived 7:45. Spot on, Andrew Hopkins, thank you very much. Did exactly what you said you'd do. Appreciate that. We'll use you guys again. However, it is now, it's got to be 10 o'clock, no dumper, which is very, very annoying. This is the 3rd time now in a row that I've not had kit turn up. First thing, when requested, yeah, we're talking 11 o'clock, the last 2 turned up. 10 o'clock this one hadn't turned up. I've rung about and cancelled. There's some story about the lorry pulled the electrics out or something. I don't care. It's no good, absolutely no good for me reliability wise. We only want to be here a day doing this, you know, and they couldn't even give me an ETA of when that machine was going to turn up. So I've rung up, luckily, another supplier we use, and they can get one out to us for hopefully around 11 o'clock, which is going to make it tight getting this job done, but we're going to have to go like the clappers to get it done. So it's just not really what we wanted, but hey, there you go, what can you do? So yeah, not overly impressive that, but there you go. Due to the weather, we have bought some more camera gear. We've got a drone which films in 4K, which you've probably seen videos of now, but it's absolutely tipping it down with rain, so we can't really put that up yet. We'll try and get it up and get some aerial shots. You know, it'll probably be after aerial shots now because we ain't going to be able to get any before. But yeah, fun and games, eh? I think I'd rather just own my own dumper at this rate. But 3-ton dumper, you got a job to move it about with anything I've got anyway, unless we get a massive trailer. But we have got to dig a bit of a channel down through here too, just to stop the water. The water all pours down into here and sits in this area. As you can see, we've got the path going out. They've just put this fence up just to stop the horses from getting out. They're going to actually put like proper railed fencing up. You can see some over there. But yeah, let's crack on. I don't know how much filming we're going to be able to get with the machines and stuff here. It's probably going to be a lot of in-cab filming. Unfortunately, you can always tell when it's raining when we're out doing a job, because most of it is inside filming. You can't really put the cameras out because the lenses just get all covered in water and stuff like that, and it's not very good. We have bought a new GoPro, which latest GoPro, all bits and pieces on it, so hopefully all our videos should come out in 4K, be a lot better. Hopefully it'll be a lot better with the contrast in the skies and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm waffling. Let's get on with this as soon as the dumper turns up. Cheers. Right guys, dumper's arrived. Different company dumper though. The original one didn't make it, so just here, literally stuck the load in the dumper, and I'll take you at the top and show you where we've got to go. Old school manual dumper. Whew. A little bit of a channel here that I've dug just to keep the water from coming in there. Done a nice job of that, fair play, well done. Alright, I'm gonna just gently edge into this. Yeah, that's alright, it's not too bad. Right, look out of gear, rev it. Brake off. Right, back down there we go then. Another 2 at least, I'd say, going in there. Forgot about that. That'll do us. Knock it out of gear. Alright, let's get this loaded up.